Hey everyone, like every year, Facebook has been releasing some of the exciting and amazing features for their Messenger and also for Instagram. And even this year, Facebook also released some of the exciting and amazing features. In my previous video, you guys already seen that. But here is one more exciting features that has been released on Facebook Messenger and also for Instagram. And now in this video, I'm going to show you that. Alright, in Messenger, if you write something like message effect, maybe you guys already know this, but if you haven't, you guys check this out. Whatever you write, you can see this search button appears. Just simply tap on it and here is that. You can get this love effect, falling snow kind of effect, and fire, and also gift box. If you click on that, boom, there's the effect. It's really amazing and looks good. If you try something like another thing with this gift box, it will look like that, like a gift. Just tap on that and the gift will be open like a regular amazing gift box. It's really cool. And not only that, these effects also works on your Instagram. On Instagram, on any chats or something like that, it works exactly the same way like the Facebook Messenger do. Just simply write whatever you want to say. Like here I'm writing something, the search button will appear. Just tap on that and you can get all the effects there. Just tap there and here is it. It looks really amazing with these amazing features. This effect, this really looks good with some of the like Facebook Messenger theme, Instagram theme, and also this kind of effect. It's amazing. I really like this kind of effect. So this is that one more thing from Facebook Messenger. They didn't headline it on more thing, I'm just saying it, and it's really cool. If you guys haven't seen or haven't found this, just update your Facebook Messenger and also Instagram. If you still don't get this, just wait few more days and you will have that. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Also comment below if you wanna say something or any suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. I'm with John and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.